Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shop. Quick coaches for smart business growth trying to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, great copy isn't about being clever. It's about being clear and compelling. And if your words aren't converting people, then the chances are they're confusing, bland, or you're trying too hard. So let's fix that. And the place to start is to lead with the outcome. Don't start talking about what you do, because in truth, most people aren't interested in what you do. So instead, start with the result that your customers get, because that is likely to perk up their interest. You also want to make sure that you're speaking in your audience's language. So skip the jargon and use real words your ideal customers say when they describe their problems and desires. And make sure it's scannable. Break up long blocks of text. Use subheadlines, bullets and short sentences because it's easier to read than it's easier to act on. Okay, your momentum move for today. Take one page that could be, for instance, your homepage, an offer or a sales email and rewrite the first two lines so that it now speaks directly to the result that your audience cares most about. Then watch what happens. And remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because one step every day in the right direction, that's momentum.